How you guys doing? In the back, we got some good stuff on the podcast. I wanted to talk today about the mortgage rate drops and what it really means. So here at the Financial Enabler Podcast, we're going to about your wealth, your well-being, how you guys grow. So again, big focus is how we become more wealthy. I'm not just talking about money. It's all about wealth. Mortgage rates dropped. Everybody's all excited. And this is the deal. What's really happening? So when rates drop, most people rush to say, great, now the house is cheap. I'm going to go buy it. Sure, there's a lot more to it, right? How does this change your position as a buyer, seller, or investor? Okay, so I'm gonna give you the pros first. It gives you leverage. You can now qualify for more home, assuming the cost didn't go up. Or keep your loan smaller and invest the difference, right? So whichever one. It also opens the door for refinancing. If you're locked in at a higher rate from last year, this could be the chance to free up cash and shorten the payoff schedule. I always encourage people to be extra mindful of that. There's a few things that I've talked about in other podcasts that must be taken into consideration when refinancing, okay? The other thing is that when more buyers enter the market, activity picks up. Builders, agents, lenders, everyone moves faster. That can drive the momentum and it can help out other things. So again, it could also drive the cost. Here's the catch, this is the downsides. Lower rates pull in more buyers and that pushes prices up, like I mentioned. You could save on interest but pay more on the property itself. That's why a lot of people that I'm talking to are saying don't buy because prices are high. So even if the rates are dropping, a lot of people are saying don't buy, don't buy, don't buy. Again, if you guys ever want to break down on rentals and how it is a good option, reach out. The inventory can tighten, right? Some sellers won't move because they're holding on to the low rate mortgage. That means fewer options in the bidding wars, right? And again, the refinancing costs. I already mentioned that we got to be aware of the refinancing costs. So what should you do? Run the numbers, not just information you're getting. How long will you stay in the house? So if you refinance, you got to account for all the fees and how long it's going to take you to pay it off. And will the price jump cancel out the rate savings, right? May or may not. Be aware of that. And can I invest the freed up cash in something that builds wealth faster? I'm a big believer in this. Your house, for one, is a liability. The house that you're living in is a liability. You can go purchase assets, but most people with a VA loan are not out there purchasing the assets. There's a lot of other assets that you guys got to look at, okay? So if the math works out and the plan fits, go ahead and move it, okay? So taking that into account of the whole picture of the mortgage rates. I know a bunch of people right now are freaking out. They're in a rush to refinance and they may get mad and disappointed a few weeks from now when the rates drop again. So be extra aware of that and don't play on the interest rates with your emotions. If you guys want to see some strategies when it ties to renting, go ahead and reach out. I mentioned that earlier, and it's really important to reach out and understand the value of it because so many people are getting locked in and ending up house poor. Obviously, right now, a lot of realtors are super excited. They're like, go buy, go invest, go do all these things. And I caution you guys, right? Don't jump into it because it may not be outright the best option for you and your family. So if you want a thorough assessment on this, I have some great resources all over the United States for VA lenders and non-VA lenders. So reach out. The Financial Enabler Podcast is here to support you. We're keeping it short and sweet right now. So let's get it.